How to make drop-down list in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets and at the top, click on Data. After you click on Data, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Data Validation, which is at the bottom. After that, on the right side, click on Add Rule. In here, make sure you've selected the cell where you want and make sure criteria is dropped down and then add your options. I am adding numbers. After that, you can simply press on Done at the bottom right and then you're good to go. If you click on the button, you'll be able to find your two options. You can also add third option and you're good to go. This is how to make drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.